Yeah, my beautiful people, check in. So right now, this is Colaz from Colaz Smith Tv. And right now, I represent for Orion and Shadika for Ev. So definitely check them out on YouTube, give them a like, subscribe, and share. And show the love, show the support, and let them grow from strength to strength. Alright, so this is Shadika.
Hi, so I'm representing for guess us Orin and Shadika. We do basically like Jamaican lifestyle content. We're a young couple and we kind of do things surrounding that. So when we're doing like house tours, finding a new car, we have a wedding coming up right now, so we have a lot in that series as well. And we do cooking as well. My like fiance, he's kind of coming up to be a chef, so a lot of that progress or content is actually being filmed as well. So we have a lot of cooking, seafood, lifestyle content in general, new things that's coming up in Jamaica. So if you're overseas I want to keep in touch with back home, we have a lot of that content on.
Alright, so people, there you have it. So again, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. That is it. So your boy Colaz, and we're out here without fear. That is
Bye,
it.
thanks.